Yeah, and Rob, the mayor of Richmond, LeVar Stoney, saying it's a result of what we've been dealing with for the month of this pandemic in the city, with businesses closing, social distancing, the stay-at-home orders. That's going to be leading to some tough choices when it comes to the city's budget. Stoney was talking about these issues earlier today at a press conference where we also learned about how many cases Richmond has been seeing, both for cases and deaths as a result of COVID-19. Of the now over 4,000 cases of COVID-19 in Virginia, Richmond officials said Thursday the city accounts for 120 of them, plus 6 deaths.
Obviously, this disease knows no boundaries. It does not discriminate.
And unlike earlier in the pandemic, officials say residents are for the most part following the social distancing guidelines meant to flatten the coronavirus curve. But Mayor LeVar Stoney says people need to remain vigilant, as Richmond and Virginia have not yet reached their peaks.
And if you all have been to King's Dominion before, you tick, 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 we are still on the front end of that roller coaster.
In terms of when that might be, Richmond Health Director Dr. Danny Avula says he's looking at early May and is cautious about a model predicting an April 20th arrival. Avula says this is based off of conversations he's had with the health systems.
The fact that our hospitals are relatively empty right now. I mean, the front lines, certainly the emergency rooms, are still seeing high volumes, but there currently does look to be good capacity in hospitals and in intensive care units.
Meanwhile, Mayor Stoney says the economic fallout from the virus has them projecting significant shortfalls for both this and next year's budget.
We're talking the tens of millions here in the city of Richmond.
As such, Stoney says he's making changes to next year's proposed budget, which had included new money for roads, schools, and infrastructure.
We're going to have to curtail some of those earlier investments. And so I'm asking the community to buckle up.
Now, Stoney says he's going to make a presentation to City Council on Monday when they're holding their first budget hearing on fiscal year 2021. Also today, the city announcing they are going to extend the closure of city offices to all but essential business and workers until May 3rd. Working for you at the City of Richmond City Hall, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.